Alright, I'm just going to put a roof rack on this new van here, just to carry my ladders. I was sliding it up into here. I'm just going to fix that hole there. I took the Ford Transit, the piston rings went in it, so I'm going to take bits of that roof rack and put it onto this van. I've took the ladder off there, put it on. I have to fix this here. There was lights on the top of this at one time and somebody's hasn't done a good job of repairing it. But this is what I was thinking here, putting this rail on here, putting the cross members on. That's the first one I've put on there. But I'll put the second one on here and show you how to do it. And I'm just using this rail off. I put solar panels on, so there's a couple of leftover bits. I want to use it just to save a bit of money. But I'll see which way it turns out. If you're ever drilling a hole in your roof, your van, even the roof of your house, always try to go on the ribs. So any water is going to run off and sit here. It's not going to go into the hole. That's what these ones should have done. It probably didn't work out for them, but that there's going to be a wee repair I'll have to do. And then just using a wee cutting a lino. Some good quality silicone stick all, something like that. And then I'll go down here and tighten it. Just make sure you get it started properly. That's it. And that one. And that one. Stay on there. I'll not fully tighten it up. I'll give it an all-wee tighten when I get the rail on to stop it spinning. Try and do the front side. Put two here. the back, 2 at the front, and then put 2 rails across, and then use these rails to get it straight. I'll do the front ones here and then put the rail on. I'll show you how I'm getting on so far. Still have the 2 cross members to go here, but that's it. I don't want it too wide for to stick out the side. I wanted to keep it back. I only need enough for 2 sets of ladders to go on it, so I'm happy enough with that. And then I'll put this bit here on, so if I ever want to put a light or anything on here, I can put it on. And the same here, I'll show you. There's wee plastic bits to go on here just to cover them up. The likes of this here, I can put a light shining down off this, and the same over there. And then I was thinking about putting 4 beacons, 1 here, 1 down there, 1 over there, and 1 over there. Yeah, and then obviously enough room for the ladders and whatever else you need to put on the roof. It's looking good so far. I'll put these last 3 cross members on, and then I'll leave the beacons for another video, and the lights. Because in this van, all down inside the passenger seat there's wiring for beacon lights on the top, and there's beacon lights here. Whoever owned it before took them off, but all the wiring's still there to hook them up. Hopefully it turns out well. I'll put these last 2 wee bits on, and then put the ladders on, and I'll finish it up for this video. Alright, that's going to do it for this one. Just finished putting that roof rack on there. I'll just give you. I took the ladder off that transit van, put it on here, and then just made the roof rack out of aluminium rail that you use on solar panels. That's it. Enough for 2 ladders to go on. I kept it back from the edge. I want to put a beacon on here and down there on the other 2 sides, and a light at the sliding door, and a light here as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching.